Here is the directions for the flying pterodactyl. First, you print out the template on cardstock and then cut it out. You can color it before you cut it out or after you cut it out. For this video, I'm not going to color it. Then you fold it in half down the dotted line and fold each of those sides along the solid line. So that you have a shape like that. Okay. Next, you take glue. I prefer to use hot glue, but you could use other kinds of glue if you wanted. Put a little glue down the middle. Next, you take a regular straw. I happen to have bendy straws, and a stir stick straw, and you cut the bendy straw so that you remove the bendy part. Then I take my pterodactyl and my stir stick and I measure where the bend is. Then I cut my stir stick down the middle, that far. So it'll fit like that. And I glue it down. I use the scissors so I don't burn myself. Make sure you glue it on both sides. Next, I measure my regular straw up the wing a ways, maybe where the bend is, and I cut it to there. Again, you're working down the middle of the straw. And you thread the straw over the stir stick straw like that. I don't know if I held that under the camera or not. I was not paying attention. Okay, so it's on there, and I slide it all the way up and then glue just the top part on the wing. And again on the other side, just the top part. And I got glue on my desk. Oh well. Make sure it's cooled off. Then, ta-da, it flies. You have a flying pterodactyl. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.